Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaway. Today we have for you our monthly eyeshadow palette giveaway that we do every month. So for the month of April, it is the Lilac You a Lot by Colourpop. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. All the looks, all swatches, everything is done off of mine. Yours will go out of here brand new, untouched. What happens in the mail though, I am not responsible for, but it'll go out of here in pristine condition. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk a little bit about it, do some swatches, do some looks, do my final thoughts, and kind of what you need to do in order to win. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is gonna be a secret word that you're gonna need to know for today's giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings. I want you guys to know when I upload, definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. I'm filming 3 of them today. So this is the palette that I do have on my eyes today. And it is a $14 palette. It's kind of, you know, Colourpop's doing their monochromatic sets. This was one of them that they did. You know, it is definitely on the cooler tone if you compare it to kind of like It's My Pleasure. So let's get into some of these swatches because I can't wait. I absolutely love Cloud here. You could use it like as an all over lid shade. It's just, it's so pretty. So it is a pale lavender with warmer pink undertones and a gold frosted finish. It does have nearly an opaque payoff. So imagine that. It performed really nicely. It's a medium rosy mauve with a subtle cool undertones and a mostly matte finish. Another one that performed really well is Ghostin'. It's a medium lavender with warm pink undertones and a mostly matte finish. It kind of has a barely there shimmer that you kind of can see like in close up, but that's about it. I love Wake Me. It is a brighter light medium pink lavender with warmer pink undertones and a blue to violet shifting shimmer. You know I'm all about the shifting shimmers here. Love me a little multichrome going on. I'll show you all the swatches here in just a second. This shade Fluff. So it's a medium lavender with neutral to warm undertones and a chunky sparkly finish. So it's pretty loosely pressed. So, you know, you're going to want to use like a dampened brush because it's like, it can be kind of flaky. So, a train wreck. It almost started off like a train wreck because it takes multiple coats to get, you know, the coverage that you're looking for. It is a light lavender with cool undertones and a frosted finish. I would say that that shade is one that I noticed that faded the most. Another one that was just okay was Zoned Out here. It's so creamy. Is light medium lavender with subtle cool undertones and a matte finish. It's nearly opaque. I did use that as a transition shade today. Iffy here is a medium purple with cooler undertones and a matte finish. It's kind of semi-opaque, buildable coverage. So that one does, I've noticed, leave a little bit of a pinkish stain behind though. And Filtered is medium purple with warm pink undertones and a semi-matte finish. There's a smattering of like a little finely gold shimmer in it throughout, but you can't hardly even tell unless you're looking up super close. So there is the swatches. Obviously, the 2 deeper ones are at the bottom. I do wish that there was even one more deeper one. Like even deeper than that would be my preference. That's just me. Let's get into a couple of the looks. I think I want to do a really nice, easy look, kind of staying in this outer L shape here. So I'm going to take Imagine That. Into the crease and a little bit above. I'm going to take a little bit of that also underneath the waterline. Kind of want to go into Zoned Out into the crease itself. and a little bit above. I'm going to go into Ghostin in that very outer corner. And I'm going to take Make Me just in the center here. Kind of do a little tap in between. A really kind of pinky type look. And then let's take Cloud in the very inner corner. And then just kind of where my finger couldn't reach, use that brush. Okay, let me put some mascara on and I'll be right back. Here's the finished look. Be right back with my next look. So when I do kind of a darker look, I do like to start off with those darker shades first so that way I can diffuse them with the lighter shades. So I want to start off with this kind of purple matte here. I am taking it on a rougher 01. Knock off any extra. And I'm going to go, it's going to kind of be my outer V shade. So outer corner into the crease a little bit. I'm going to take a little bit of that right underneath. Now I want to blend that outer corner a little bit up and out. And then all I'm going to do is knock this around in my color switch to get off a bunch of that purple. It's a loose powder that you're worried about. I'll clean my brush later so it's not stained purple. And then I kind of want to go into this burgundy and lay that down as an all over lid shade. And then I'm going to go into this one here, just kind of use it as a transition, like right above that crease. And it just, yes, I have already blended, but it just helps that process. I think it would be really pretty to do a kind of like purple and do this silver all over the lid. I don't know how that would look over this, but I really want to try it. So let's do this one here in the very outer corner. And now I want to take that silver like all over the main portion of the lid. It's making it look really pink, but I think if I didn't have that kind of pinky purple under it, it would be fine. And then let's take this one here in the very inner corner. Okay, let me put some mascara on and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my final thoughts. So I'd say that overall it does perform like most Colourpop palettes do. The mattes are a little bit powdery, but they do blend out really well. And you can usually get the pigmentation that you're looking for, and that usually lasts like around 7 to 8 hours for elasticity. So how are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments down below. There's nothing much new here other than still trying to recover from the surgery, and I've got a lot of back pain going on, but that's just me. What are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments down below. So what did you guys think? Which of the looks was your favorite? I think this is mine. I just like how it turned out. Secret word of the day is lilac. In the description box down below is Google form. Make sure to fill it out, only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel, and also put on it that secret word. And let me know if you do have lilacs at your house, if those are coming out yet. Mine are kind of thinking about it. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years old or older or have your parents' permission to enter. Giveaways open internationally. I am then not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Kind of like I said earlier, it will leave here in pristine condition. What happens in the mail, I am then not responsible for. Let's have this giveaway go through May 2nd, midnight Mountain Standard Time. We'll take, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, from the first name, first initial, the last name of the, I am all over the place today, of the Google Forms. And so you only fill out the form once, but you can get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work, it's like I said, you fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark on them if you did do them, because I don't want to see you guys get disqualified. So the giveaway will end on May 2nd. And then after that, hopefully that next week, I'll come on. If everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, I will take first name, first initial, the last name, put those in the computer. The computer spins all the names around, the computer picks, I don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaways are over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. So if you like the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck on the giveaway. Bye. Woo!